One night, I was scrolling through a local group when I saw a post from a mom desperately looking for someone to make a birthday cake for her daughter. The problem? She needed it the next day. I was still building my business, so I thought, why not? I can do it. I took the order, made the cake, and had it ready the next day. When she came to pick it up, she was so happy. She appreciated that I had helped her at the last minute and she was willing to pay extra for it. At that moment, I thought, last minute orders are great. But as my business grew, I learned there is another side to them. A rush order can mean changing your entire schedule, checking whether you have all the ingredients, finding the right cake board and box, changing family plans, and sometimes staying up very late just to finish one cake. That's when I learned. A last minute order isn't necessarily a bad order. It just needs to be worth saying yes to. And most importantly, is the customer willing to pay a rush fee for the convenience I am providing? Because they are not only paying for the cake, they are also paying for you to rearrange your schedule and make their order a priority. You don't have to say yes to every order to grow your business. The skill is learning which order is worth the yes. If you are building your cake business, these are exactly the kinds of real situations we are going to talk about here. Because there's a lot about running a cake business that you only learn once the orders actually start coming in. I'll see you in the next one.